जज्बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी पर चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमारे पूर्वजों ने की, ऐसे वतन को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना।
No country is free until it is a democratic. A very blissful morning to one and all present here. It is a day of pride and a great honor as our nation celebrates 75th anniversary of independence. India is the largest democracy. This day reminds us that our forefathers have done their equal share of their duties, and now it lies in our hand how we can shape and form the future of our country. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. So let us come together and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. The theme for today's program is democracy.
स्वतंत्रता हम भारत की शान है, लोकतंत्र इसकी आन है। रेवरेंड सिस्टर मैरी रम्या, Sister Beena, sisters, teachers and my dear friends, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It is a great and proud day for all of us. On this day, we got freedom from the slavery of British rule. On this day, our India became independent and our dream of living in an independent and a democratic country came true. This is the reason we are here together to celebrate this day today.
Happy Independence Day to every one of you. Now I request our respected Principal, Sister Mary Ramya, to please hoist the flag. Please, Sister.
सलामी देगा, सलामी दे। राष्ट्रीय गान।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, sister, for hoisting the flag. We salute and thank our freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves for our nation. Bless all its people and give light and enlighten our leaders, especially our President, Prime Minister and Chief Ministers. May they lead our country along the path of justice and righteousness. Let our love abide in the hearts of all citizens, and may we live in peace and harmony.
Through this beautiful prayer dance, let us be united with God in our heart and mind. anywhere, anytime. Ordinary people are given the chance to choose. The choice is the same freedom, not tyranny, democracy, not dictatorship. The rule of the law, not the rule of a secret police. Today, our heart is full of patriotism, and to express this feeling and the true meaning of democracy, we have Rajat from class 7th B.
आओ झुककर सलाम करें जिनके हिस्से में ये मुकाम आता है, किस कदर खुशनसीब है वो लोग, खून जिनका वतन के काम आता है. Good morning to everyone present here as we celebrate 75th Independence Day today. We acknowledge and express our gratitude to all our freedom fighters of nation. 15th August is an important day in Indian history as on this day back in 1947 we attained freedom. Our forefathers dreamed of a free democratic nation where there will be no room for indifferences and violence. Our leaders had a clear vision of justice and equal society. But today, can we say we live in an independent democratic country? Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. In democracy, everything is centered around the people. Our freedom fighters and great leaders wanted to form a country where there be equality, social justice and fraternity among people. They made a constitution for our country which will ensure the trust among the people and dignity for each and every citizen. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा are the famous slogans given by our freedom fighters. What do we mean by Azadi or Swaraj? Do they mean getting the independence from the British only or something else? The real meaning of the independence is the freedom from the social evils, poverty, inequality, corruption in the society. There are some serious challenges faced by democracy. Only democracy will not solve all these problems, but it provides equal opportunities for us to grow and develop. We need to find the real meaning of democracy, then only we will get what is guaranteed by the democracy. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. Someone rightly said that the future depends on the young generation. Hence it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. I would like to conclude with the famous quote of our former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. The preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Rajat, for your golden words. We all are so deeply interconnected. We have no option but to love all. Be kind and do good for anyone, and that will be reflected. The ripples of kind heart are the highest blessings of the universe. The students of class 5B are going to present an action song reflecting the idea of unity in diversity.
मुट्ठी चपोली हाथ में हार लेके चलते हैं हम, बाजू में डंडो है हमारे कभी रखते हम, रग रगों में भक्ति जाग उठी है वो फर्ज निभाना है, ये देश अपनी सादगी है और धर्म हमारा ये।
Yes,
you, my dear friend, for your heartwarming performance. We dance for laughter, we dance for tear, we dance for madness, we dance for fear. But today we will dance for our glorious nation. The students of class 10th are here to present a patriotic dance performance.
Thank you, my dear friends, for your heart-touching performance. Now, I would like to request a respected principal, Sister Mary Ramya, to give the message of the day.
Dear Sister Beena, the manager of the school, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear students. 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this 75th year of independence, we pay respect to all the great leaders who made countless sacrifices and struggles to make our country independent. Our country is a democratic, secular, and socialistic republic. The democracy comes from the Greek word demos, meaning power of the people. In other words, will of the people and the happiness of the people. So democracy is a government on behalf of all the people of the country. But today, we witness something different. Hate speech, rape and murder, punishing the victims, not the accused. Misuse of laws to suppress people's freedom and freedom of expression, so on. On the occasion of the 75th Independence Day, let us pledge to defend the legacy of our freedom movement, spirit of the preamble, and the values of the Constitution. We pledge to campaign for repealing of all draconian laws and assert the right to bail of every citizen. Let us believe that the right to question and right to dissent are the foundation of our democratic, secular, socialistic republic. As I wish you all my heartfelt 75th anniversary of independence, I like to repeat the words of the famous poet Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. God bless every one of us, citizens of the country. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your inspirational words and motivating us all. Now, I would like to call upon Anushka for a vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all present here. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks on behalf of Notre Dame family. We are grateful to all our freedom fighters who sacrifice everything for the independence of our country, India. We express our gratitude to our chief guest of the day, our Reverend Principal, Sister Mary Ramya, for hosting the flag. We would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our dear teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta Gehlot and Mrs. Indu June, for taking initiative in arranging this program. Once again, I thank you one and all, and take your leave with a grateful heart. आपका दिन मंगल हो. जय हिंद, जय भारत.